Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be testing out a new face mask product. So this company actually contacted me via email and asked me to try out this face mask, which I'm really excited about because I do love a good beauty product. So the company is called, I believe it's pronounced Savegre. I just wanted to pop in here that it's actually pronounced Savegre, not Savegre. So yeah, sorry about that. Hope I didn't offend anyone, but just ignore any mispronunciations through the rest of the video, please. And when I actually Googled this, funnily enough, the first thing that came up was that it's actually a place in Costa Rica, which makes sense because this is actually produced in Costa Rica. Well, I think it's founded in Costa Rica, and it's actually Costa Rican Rainforest blue clay. So yeah, that's obviously where the name comes from. So it's a detoxifying face mask. You get 60 grams and there are so many benefits to this, it's unreal. So naturally created with no synthetic fragrances, no animal derivatives. Is it derivatives? Derivatives? No artificial colours, no harsh detergents, no propylene glycol, no MEA, DEA, TEA, no petroleum, no mineral oils, no phthalates, no triclosan, no sulfates, no parabens, no silicons, and no EDTA. Well, that is, yeah, that's a lot. So it's also all completely made of natural ingredients. I say it's Costa Rican made, it's cruelty free, and the packaging is recyclable because it's glass as well. So that's a bonus. So, and one more thing is I'm tapping it for the reason that it's a powder. So that also means that it won't go out of date. So that's great. So as I say, you get 60 grams in here, and I believe when I looked it was £20 to buy. But I think £20 for a mask of this size, and as I say, one that's not really going to go out of date, is a really good price, if it's any good. So that's what we're going to find out. Right, so first things first, I need to remove all of this makeup. So I'm just going to go away and do that. You don't really want to watch me take all my makeup off. So I'm just going to use my micellar water to remove my makeup, and then I shall be back. So fresh-faced and naked. And I'm going to be trying out this mask. So instructions, mix half a tablespoon. I bought a teaspoon up. So what's a teaspoon to a tablespoon? It's half, isn't it? Oh, I need to Google this. Right, 3 teaspoons to a tablespoon. So 1.5 of these. Right, and then wrong side. With 1 teaspoon of water. That's where I've got the teaspoon bit from. Until it makes a paste. Right, so we'll do that. So I've got my little bowl. Was it a level teaspoon or a heaped? Oh Jesus. Oh God. Right, there's one. Half's going to be a bit easier. One and a half. So there we go. So there's my powder. Oh, which has gone up my nose. I'm going to sneeze. No, I'm not. Okay. It has no smell, which is good. I'm not a fan of fragrances on my face. So yeah, I'm quite pleased that it's fragrance free. Right, so what I'm going to do is quickly go to my sink and get a teaspoon of water and add that in, and yeah, we'll see what we get. Right, I've got my water, so I'm going to give it a mix up now. Yeah, that's a great consistency. Right, so it's kind of gone like this, so it's kind of quite a thick-ish paste. So, right, I'm going to pop that on. Just got myself a fan, like a mask brush. I'm going to pop this on as I would normally a face mask. So the mask is on. I can already feel it start to dry and tighten in certain areas. So I'm going to leave this on for 10 minutes. So, right, while it's drying, I think I might go and run myself a bath. So, and then I will be back, we'll remove it and see what my skin's like underneath. Yeah, look, you can see it's starting to dry quite quickly already. I have to say it feels really nice on at the moment. So I'll see you in 10 minutes. Right, okay, so the mask is now dry, as you can see. It feels really firm, really tight. As you can see, my pores are quite detoxified. They're really, really drawn out by this mask, which is absolutely brilliant. So there's the mask all washed off. Yeah, it's really good. And I'm not just saying that because, you know, it was gifted to me. I'm always very honest and very open in my reviews. And yeah, I've got a bit of fluff there. My skin feels so soft, so smooth, and I actually had to go to the bathroom and just rinse the last of it off with some warm water, because it was quite messy to take off, I'm not going to lie, but then all clay masks are anyway. As you saw, I used 2 cloths to remove it, but when you remove it, it's obviously got exfoliating properties in it as well, because you can feel like the tiny beads working through your skin as you're taking it off, which is absolutely great. So it's basically a 2-in-1. And my nose did have quite a few blackheads on. As I showed you when it was drying, you could see that, you know, where it was trying to detoxify my nose and my chin, because that's where I had most blackheads. And quite clearly they've drawn them out to the surface, and then when I removed it and the exfoliator started working, it's obviously got rid of those, because I haven't, if I try and show you close up, if you can see, my blackheads have actually gone off my nose and chin. I have never had that before with a face mask. That's actually really quite impressive. And this spot here that was really red and angry before has really died down as well. I mean, my skin looks a little bit dry at the moment, but I haven't put any moisturiser on. And the reason being that, as I said, I'm about to get in the bath, so there's no point, I'll do that after. But yeah, honestly, I'm really impressed. My skin feels so good. And I can imagine using that like once a week will be really, really beneficial. So yeah, there we go. So there's my take on the Savegre face mask, and yeah, I can honestly say that I would recommend this product 100%. It's really, really good. So I will pop a link in the description box below to the website if you want to go and check it out yourself. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope you found it useful. If you did, obviously please give me a thumbs up, and I would really appreciate it if you would pop down to that subscribe button and give it a click to see more content like this in the future. For now, thanks for watching. Bye!